it's Evelyn's Playroom, and today we're going to be recording about. I'm going to be making a gumball machine for my school project, my 100-day project, and it's a gumball machine.
You need glue?
Uh-huh.
Where is it? Did you show me your gumball machine?
This is my gumball machine. Yeah.
Just the little dots.
All the colors it has, it's purple, orange, blue, green. A little dot. Guys, I'm starting off with green. And then with orange. Is orange your favorite color? Yeah, stick. Now I'm going to purple. Now blue. Do you like blue? What colors do you like? I like blue, orange, purple, blue, orange, purple, and pink. Yeah, get out of here. Now I'm going to orange again. And going back to blue. I mean green. And let me check it out. Yeah! Come back here, green. Oh. And
Are you counting them as you're putting them on?
I'm just saying the colors. And guys, I'm all done with the bottom row. Now I'm going to go to the middle row. I'm going back to blue. I may not have enough glue, guys. Get out of here. There we go. What are your favorite colors, guys? Little tiny dot. Now I'm going to go back to green. This is my daddy.
What's up, guys? Alright, what are we doing?
I am gluing the gumballs. You can help.
Okay, let me glue a blue one.
Okay.
Dang it. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
What color are you doing?
I am going to do purple.
And in case you didn't say it, guys, like and subscribe. Help her channel out. You guys are doing good. Thank you. We appreciate it. She has fun doing it.
Yeah, they both match.
Really good job. That's not making it match. I'm a weirdo.
I did it by accident.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. Oh, I forgot about yellow.
Any other colors you don't have? I think that's it.
That's all the colors I have.
She has other sparkly ones, but she don't want to use none.
Your gumballs aren't sparkly.
They could have sparkly gumballs. That would be awesome.
They look cute.
That'd be the special gumballs.
Not gumballs.
Oh, look.
It looks like a smile, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. You want me to keep gluing them? You stick them on there?
Yeah.
Not go super fast, but we'll go a little faster.
I'm going to take my time.
There's some glue on some. Let's pop them on there.
It's raining.
Let's get some purple.
If you guys didn't know, my nails.
What's your nails look like? Red?
Yep, the red and gold. The line. The purple's are a line. Yeah.
Grab that one.
Yeah.
That's getting good. Oh no. I keep making a mess is what I keep doing.
And if you guys didn't know, my dad has a YouTube channel.
Yep, at KTFO Bones. And I have a Twitch at KTFO Bones 1. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, it looks like two eyes and a nose. What's your guys' favorite color?
What's yours on here? Daddy's is blue.
Mine is orange and purple.
Orange and purple.
Mhm.
Good job, we're doing good.
Wanna check it out?
That's what we got so far.
Don't worry, if you see the edges, we're just gonna do the edges.
Okay, let's finish the... Take that one. Take that one. Look how fast. Take that one. Take that one. Take that one. Uh-oh, bean. You take that one. Take that one.
You're faster than me.
You take that one. I help you. I know. I'm not forgetting beautiful.
You're kind of fast. Need more glues. Oh. I know. Yeah! I got greens. 3 greens in a row.
Oh, don't put the greens by each other.
And guys,
Grab it. Hurry before it turns.
And guys, you might have seen my dad in some of my videos.
What the?
You might have seen him with his hair black, but he dyed it.
Yeah, that blonde one.
Yeah,
You keep putting them in the same row.
I know because all you give me. So,
No. This is a mess.
yeah, there's a mess.
It's getting good though. It's getting good.
If you just see the sides, we'll just fill them in.
Okay, so keep going. Power.
Cool.
Speed and power. Speed and power, girl.
Show him. Oh. You're going up on top of me. Yeah. I just tried to grab one and then one just tipped over. Choop. Oop. Why do we keep putting some on the same side?
Are we making sure we're counting them?
Are we supposed to be counting them out?
There's supposed to be 100 on there.
Oh man. Supposed to be 100, guys. Oh man.
We're just doing it all for fun.
1, 2,
Don't worry.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
But it's doing them all because I counted 100.
Yeah, are these 100 right here? Are these
Yeah.
all 100?
Yeah, we glued the 100 to here.
All these is 100?
Yeah, all these are white with these, and then we glued those onto here. Why do you keep grabbing random ones?
Look how fast I am, girl.
I know you're a quick one.
I'm a quick one.
And he eats food fast too.
What, you call me a pig?
No. Some of them are like folded together.
Okay, let's just slow her down some. Here, I'm gonna leave you out there so you can do the rest of these, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks for doing your video with me. Guys, for sure, give her a like, subscribe. She's doing good. Show them what we got so far.
We got this.
That's what we got. Almost 100. Probably about 75. You gotta do 25 of them. Think you can do 25? Okay. Good job.
Thank you.
Remember, don't forget to talk to them.
And guys, what's your favorite color? And some blues are connected to each other, like crazy. And guys, if you didn't know, my dad and me have a YouTube channel. If you haven't, go subscribe to me and my dad. KCFO Bones. My dad's YouTube channel. KCFO Bones. Whoa, it just came straight out. God, don't put it on my finger. Oh, guys, I'm almost done. God. I just found some holes.
What'd you say, babe?
I was talking to them. It's getting a little messy here.
Let me see it. It's alright, let me see that. Looking good, girl.
I was filling in some holes. Gotta come back here.
Looking good, girl.
There we go. My hands are like crusty. And guys, I'm almost done. I still got a little bit more left, and I'm all done.
Good job. That was fast.
Because Daddy helped me.
Did you
And
talk about to show you the movie you watched today? And what you're watching tonight?
we're watching a new Lion King. And the old one, it was so sad. Yay, guys, I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished, guys. I'm almost finished. You know, guys, that I probably didn't tell you guys, but I have a guinea pig. You should see the baby. It's like the cutest thing ever. And guys, I'm almost done. And almost done. I just got one last layer. And oh, yippee! I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Yay! 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 And guys, I'm almost done. Hands a little bit crusty. Yay! Got like 2 more. Come on, I can make it. Yay! Okay, guys, I'm all done. Like and subscribe, deuces.
You need a comment.
Like and subscribe, deuces.
Are you done? You didn't even finish.
Hey guys, this is my finished project. It's a gumball machine. And what are you making for your 100-day project?
One of your gumballs fell off. It needs more glue.
Oops.
Stick it up in that corner where it's empty.
Like and subscribe, deuces.